It was one of those beautiful summer weekends in Finland, warm, bright, and calm in a way that makes you slow down naturally. The day started gently. I spent the morning preparing a few hanging container pots, filling them with fresh soil and setting them aside. They were ready for the indoor plants I had propagated earlier, and they were just waiting for the right moment to be planted. Preparing pots ahead of time makes planting feel so much more easier later on, especially when you're working with limited space. Later, in the day, I went to visit a friend with the kids. She lives in an apartment with her husband and children, and like many homes in Finland, the balcony becomes an extension of life in summer. We all sat together in the small balcony space, adults talking, kids playing nearby, and we enjoyed homemade sweets and yerba mate tea, letting the afternoon stretch without a schedule. The kids started drawing pictures, they played together, they wore little masks, they pulled along, and laughter filled the space. Even in the smallest balcony, can feel so much more like bigger and larger when it's shared with intention and warmth. For lunch, we gathered with extended family. The table was full, not just with food, but with care. There was rice with stews, warm soup, fresh salad, baked chicken with potatoes and carrots, and everything was beautifully prepared, slow cooked, and shared. Meals like this, gardening, many small efforts coming together into something really beautiful and nourishing. After lunch, we celebrated two of my children's birthdays. There was cake, tea, and sweets. Nothing rushed, nothing overdone. Just everyone sitting together, letting the moment just be enough. And there are days the children remember, not the decorations, but the feeling of being surrounded by love. In the evening, we returned home, and as the light softened, my husband went outside to work in the garden. He transplanted lettuce seedlings directly into the ground, spacing them carefully so they could grow without crowding. Later, he then added pea shoots as a border, with a strawberry plant thriving right in the center. Using borders for pea shoots really helps to maximize space, protect the soil, and create a living frame around many crops. We also sometimes substitute pea shoots with things like spring onions. Even in small gardens, thoughtful laying is really, really important, and it does make a difference. That weekend felt really full, not because we did a lot, but because everything had meaning. Small gardens, shared meals, balconies filled with laughter, plants growing quietly in the backyard. Living in Finland taught us how to value short summers, limited space, simple routines. Now that we've relocated to Australia, I hold weekends like this very close. They remind me how far we've come in our garden journey, from working with very small spaces to growing with more room and confidence. Gardening isn't just about what grows in the soil, it's about the life growing around it. And that exact weekend was a beautiful reminder of that. If you've been enjoying these daily vlogs, please comment below so I know that this is something that you want to see more of. Otherwise, we're going back soon to creating more tutorials and more of the troubleshooting videos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day. All the best.